Stablecoins can be a tricky concept to wrap your head around, so instead of another serious crypto video, I've come here to help explain what they are, why people buy them, and how you can buy some if you think it's the right investment for you. Crypto is a very complex thing, so to make sure you have all the information you need, get ready for an incredibly long disclaimer. Stablecoins are fairly self-explanatory in the sense that they are a type of cryptocurrency that is more stable than other coins, like Bitcoin, for example. But what makes them more stable? Let's imagine that everything within the border of this trampoline arena is the crypto world, where cryptocurrencies live, otherwise known as the blockchain. This is a Bitcoin. She's free to bounce around in the crypto world, but that makes her very vulnerable to market volatility and big price fluctuations. I mean, just look at her, she is all over the place. Most stablecoins, however, like USDC here, are attached to something outside the crypto world, which stops them being so affected by all of this volatility. We typically refer to this thing outside the crypto world as an asset. In total, there are 4 types of asset a stablecoin can be attached to. The first is a fiat currency, or normal money, like pound sterling or the dollar. USDC, for example, is attached to the US dollar. The second is a commodity like gold or silver. The third is another cryptocurrency, and the fourth are algorithms. If you're a little bit confused by those last 2 types of asset, don't worry. They are pretty complicated, so for this video and for the sake of our trampoline metaphor, we are just going to focus on the first 2 types of asset that help to stabilize stablecoins by grounding them to something in the outside world. Aside from being something to brag about at a dinner party, people buy and sell things in cryptocurrency to enjoy the perks of the crypto world. These perks include quicker, easier and cheaper payments, more security and transparency over your payments, and the fact that you don't have to go through a big financial institution like a bank. The downsides of having your money in this crypto world is all that volatility. Just look at our little Bitcoin. 1 minute she's up, then she's down, then she's over there, and you never know where she's going next. People buy stablecoins so they can enjoy all of those perks of the crypto world, but with reduced risks of volatility, because your little stablecoin has her buddy in the real world, keeping her, well, stable. Whoa! You can buy stablecoins like USDC in the same way you would buy regular cryptocurrency, either on a trading app that lets you trade crypto or on a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase. Open an account, add money to your account, find the stablecoin you want to buy, and voila! Usually, you'd expect to pay a transaction fee when buying or selling cryptocurrencies with an exchange. However, Coinbase does not charge commission fees when UK customers buy or sell USDC. If you found this video helpful, give it some love below and remember to subscribe for more videos just like this one. If you're just starting out in crypto or want to know more without all the complicated terminology, you can find loads of easy to digest info guides in our Beginners Crypto Hub by clicking this link up here. No investment comes without risk, so make sure you get your head around all of the pros and cons and understand if it's the right investment for you before diving in. Until next time, thanks for watching. Woo!